Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new public account in Instagram. First, download the Instagram app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and tap Create New Account or Sign Up. You'll then choose to register using either your phone number or email address. This initial step is quick and easy, setting the foundation for your new public profile. Next, you'll create a unique username and a strong password to secure your account. After that, add your full name and upload a clear profile picture that represents you or your brand. Crucially, navigate to your privacy settings and confirm your account is set to public. This ensures your content is visible to everyone, fulfilling the goal of a public profile. Now, let's customize your public profile. Craft a compelling bio, using up to 150 characters to tell visitors what your account is about. If you have an external website, add its link to your profile to drive traffic. Finally, organize your story highlights to showcase your best content, making your profile engaging and informative for new followers. You're ready to share your first public post. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to begin. Select a captivating photo or video from your device's gallery. Then, write an engaging caption, include relevant hashtags to increase discoverability, and tag any other accounts if appropriate. This is how you start building your public presence and connecting with a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.